Good morning, traders. This is Jacob from FINEIGHT, and we are a small step to enter stock markets in 45 minutes. So I'd like to share yesterday's trades. I entered in Alibaba. It's a well-known company, Chinese company, and I think the owner of that company is one of the richest Chinese men in the world. So we can discuss about this rising company. Well, let's start with the commercial, the insiders. Again, I'm not able to show it to you, but they are heavy buyers in this market, the commercial, the insiders, and it means that we have a very strong fundamental basis behind it trade. The truth is that one information is commercials or insiders are heavy buying. Does it mean that market will turn in a day or two? No, it's not. Sometimes they are on the wrong side for a long period of time. So that's the reason why we have to connect price action analysis and fundamental analysis. The fundamental analysis is something like an alert that you see that they are heavy buyers, so you can move this market into your watch list. But then you have to do some technical analysis to find the best entry for your or in that market. So let's start with trend lines. Again, I draw a trend line by connecting these points. As you can see here, market stopped at the trend line for many times. So we can say that we have very strong support below the market. You can also connect these 2 points, but they are very close. So as I mentioned many times before, I really don't care about these trend lines because it's really close. Okay, these 2 points. But look what happened. Market stopped at the trend line here. So this point and this point is, the distance is very high or big, sorry. So that's the reason why it has the value for me, this trend line, because I connected these 3 points and these 2 points are really far away. So from this perspective, I can see that we are in some channel to the long side. Again, it's a rising channel. So that's the reason why I can say, okay, we have a very good opportunity to enter long trade, because now we are at the bottom of the channel. So the potential to the long is very big. I also draw this green trend line. It's a minor trend line, but look what happened. It was a very nice triangle. Okay, we saw higher lows and lower highs here, and we broke from the triangle, moved back to the edge, to the upper edge of the triangle, and then we move back again to the upside. So that's another very good information that this market has a strength to go higher. Okay, so how did I find the zone? Well, you see I have a zone here from volume profile, but it's almost invisible here on this volume profile. Sometimes you have to use visible range and you have to try to move forward or backward, and you have to try to find the zone. If I move forward and to the last activity, 1, 2, 3, okay, 3 points, you can realize that we have very nice low volume node here, and look at the price action. Market really stopped there. So that's the reason why I move on the screen and try to find or adjust the zones. Sometimes I have very good zone from the previous or from the past, but I have to adjust the zone because from the last perspective or last trading weeks or months, the zone, for example, changed its size or completely changed the ratio. So I have to adjust the zones, and that's the reason why it's good to use a visible volume profile on the side and move on the screen and try to find the best, let's say, edges of the zone. I also sometimes switch to daily chart to realize if the zone is good or not. Okay, and in this case I can say that this zone is good because I saw some rejection here, some rejection here, some rejection here. And now look what happened. Market almost closed below the zone, but did not close, and now it's above the zone. So it's first reaction for me that we will probably go higher. So I entered long yesterday at a price 196.15. My profit target is 219.33 and stop loss is 184.56. So why the stop loss is here? Answer is simple. Again, look at the volume profile. We have very nice two walls here. So market has to go through these two walls to hit my profit target. That's the reason why I have to or want to have stop loss behind the wall. Very good support is also here. Market is above, and so I have three walls before market hits my stop loss. Why I have profit target here? Well, I have to take the channel into the consideration that I have to have my profit target below the upper trend line, and I have to have my stop loss below the highest high of the market. Thank you guys for watching this Alibaba trade, and hope you will enjoy this trade too. Bye guys.